What makes our academic system so unique?
Nima, actually, every school has its own pedagogical value, and for us, our students are the center of the institution. We keep on revolving and rotating around their needs. We cater individual needs. GIS is the first school in Bihar where we have come up with rifle shooting, and our girls are doing better than boys
This only
as far
this
as
segment only, ma'am. I just wanted to ask you
Yeah.
because this is the I think so most known topic that you all are having a rifle shooting range here.
Yes.
So, ma'am, just tell me more about this because this is really very interesting topic.
yes.
Namaste and welcome to our show Voice of GIS. This is an official podcast of Govinda International School, Ashopur, Danapur. My name is Neema Mishra and I am your host for today. I want to welcome to our special guest, our principal ma'am, Miss Akansha Annie. And today we will know her views regarding our school. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nima. It gives me immense pleasure that we are sitting here together. We are going to discuss the journey of GIS, wherein we started GIS in the last academic year, that was 2024, and this is our second academic year where we are stepping into the third one successfully.
My first question to you, ma'am, like GIS is known for its strong academic foundation. So, would you like to just make us know about your unique academic system?
Why not, Nima? See, every school has its own pedagogical strategy and planning how to go ahead with the students as well as all the three stakeholders, be it the parent, the management and the students. Here, our planning, our strategy revolves around our students. Means, whether you talk about infrastructure, whether you talk about normal classroom, it is all well planned, which caters the individual need of our students. And when I talk about digital classroom, our classrooms, every classroom is digitally equipped with smart boards and blinds in the windows and proper well-maintained sitting arrangement for the children. When I talk about labs, we have separate bio lab, chemistry lab, a composite lab, computer lab, a high-tech library. I mean 2 high-tech libraries, one for junior and the other for seniors. Then when I talk about sports, we have, I think, state-of-the-art arrangement as far as sports is concerned. We have state-of-the-art auditorium where the sound system and the capacity of the auditorium, the stage is one of the best in Bihar, I must say. We have even 2 computer labs where at a time I think around 50 to 55 children can accommodate.
Wow, it's amazing, ma'am, to know that. Now, my second question to you is, ma'am, regarding the day boarding. According to me, what I know is that very few schools offer day boarding. So can you just tell the viewers that what is special and how it help the student?
We think about students. I said that our planning revolves around the students. So as far as the parents, one of our stakeholders for the holistic development of children, so we had planned at the beginning of the session itself that most of the parents are working these days, and they, just to support them, we thought of coming up with day boarding facility in our campus. And I think we, being the second parent at Govinda International School, as far as GIS planning and strategy is concerned for the holistic development of our children, this was also one of our plan, because most of the parents are working these days and they are not able to spend time with their children, check their academics, check development in their skills, it is happening or not. So we thought of supporting the parent in this case, and then we came up with the concept of day boarding, here wherein children after school, children change their dresses, they come for lunch, they have a proper healthy time to take rest, and then they come for their studies. Their at home parents, children have to go to tuitions, and where they are not, they never do it willingly. So here again we give them a joyful and entertaining environment where we have English speaking and personality development classes as well, and a full care to their academics where we help them to do their homework, revision, learning, memorizing, handwriting, reading, speaking, public speaking, and the teachers, those who are guiding in the study session, become the parent and even put their signature on the almanac that they are done with the homework, whether it is project, whether it is practical, or whether it is an academic homework. We help the children. Thereafter, children, as per their skills, they move to different areas, different venues, that is whether it is singing, dancing, art, and sports, and they have full toss time where they spend with their coaches and learn something. And that is what we talk about play-way method, wherein during sports also children learn a lot. After having their lunch, they have their evening snacks, where again they have their own choices, whatever they prefer eating at home. We have made arrangements for them here in the school also, and then fully satisfied and happily they leave for their homes around 6 o'clock.
Really, ma'am, it's a very helpful idea, especially in this modern era where they both work. So it's really very amazing. Ma'am, now it is a very interesting segment about sports, because it is very important for all children and they love.
True.
So, ma'am, can you just give your views regarding what all extra we have in our school regarding sports?
Sure. Ma'am, I have a lot to speak about sports at GIS. We believe in sports for all. Saturday clubs where children go to different venues, and what not in sports, we give the opportunity to the children, whether it is basketball, whether it is cricket, football, wushu fighting, whether it is chess, whether it is carom, whether it is gymnast, badminton, basketball, whatever, what all a child can think of, and rifle shooting. are where our children are excelling, and I must say that rifle shooting, I think GIS is the first school in Bihar where we have come up with rifle shooting, and our girls are doing better than boys
This
as far
this
as
segment only, ma'am, I just wanted to ask you,
Yeah.
because this is the, I think so, most known topic that you all are having a rifle shooting range here.
Yes.
So, ma'am, just tell me more about this, because this is really very interesting topic.
Yes, sure, ma'am. See, we have, I think I must say, I was telling that we believe in sports for all, and it is all that we have floors devoted to sports, and one of them is devoted for rifle shooting only. And if I would be able to show you, I'll take you to the place and I'll show you how well it is arranged, and it is again the state-of-the-art arrangement. We have pistols as well as rifles, and our coaches are either national players or one of the best coaches from Bihar, whichever sports you pick. And one of our girls, she's going to attend the national rifle shooting in the month of December only. It is going to be held at Indore. You might be aware of Kalyan Bigha, a platform which gives children or people interested in rifle shooting. There also our girls have set the star, and they have received many medals, may it be gold, silver or bronze. We give opportunity to children around 10 years of age, they start, and as I said, that girls are doing better. I must set my collar up that GIS is best at sports.
Nice to hear that, ma'am, that so many range we have in this school.
Yes, everything in the same campus.
Ma'am, as you have already enlightened us with these sports, can we have some knowledge of co-curricular activities?
As I said, that academics, sports, and yes, why not co-curricular activities also. Here we don't call it as co-curricular activities because we believe that it is an integral part of a child's learning. So, as well as academic is concerned, children get stuck into books, paper and pen, and when activities is concerned, there they learn more. When they talk about, when they are into public speaking, when they are engrossed into art, when they dance, where their motor skills develop profoundly, where they sing and We train our children into Madhubani painting, Tiguli painting. Moreover, like what you talk about, like Bihar's culture and local art, children are well trained into that. And as far as craft is concerned, you will find our children more involved more involved into activities, whether it is decoration of the stage or any venue for any program as compared to our art and craft teachers. So all about activities where I believe the children learn more is we have arrangements for classical as well as western dancing, where we have trained and one of the best coaches who train our children in Bharatanatyam. We have Kathak, we have contemporary coach and vocalist, where they train our children into vocal music as well as training them into playing of instruments, guitar, congo and keyboards, flute, all types of musical training we give to our children.
Pre-primary section is very important because it deals with very small children. So, ma'am, just give your views regarding the pre-primary section what we have.
Yes, definitely. See, all of us know that pre-primary section is the base of a child as well as the institution. Wherein experience comes a lot. The teachers who are training our children, they are at least more than of experience. Our coordinator, Ms. Farzana Doza, is having 25 years of experience, and she has worked with most of the renowned schools in Bihar, out of Bihar, and under her jurisdiction, the children are actually getting a sack full of holistic development, whether it is speaking, whether it is their soft skills development, whether it is showing their confidence. You will find that children are very small children, right from the pre-nursery classes, handling the mic independently on the stage. We have arrangements for toy bank, where children are playful and we give them always, every second, the environment of joy in the campus. Collaboration zone, which is for our seniors as well as our juniors, where children gather together, they think, discuss together, and they have their debating, they discuss about Olympiads, they discuss about like we recently had moot court, our youth parliament, which we call this model parliament, and our children have performed the best. If you want, you can always come up to our channel. We have our YouTube channel, we have our social media posts. So I would request you to see, and you'll get the glimpses from there. And, pre-primary section, again, children are well trained, maybe for table manners, maybe how to behave. Separate certified counselors who sit with our children, who need special attention maybe at times, I must say that we have vinyl flooring for our tiny tots in the classroom, and the environment of the classroom as if they are in their own fairy world, or the world where they think about that they are in a UFO and in the flying in the universe amongst the clouds. The classroom environment is like that.
This is really very important because parents are generally very curious to know about the transportation and the safety of the school. So ma'am, just want to know about the what we are providing as a transportation and safety for all the children.
We have GPS enabled vans where our nannies also assist the children in the bus conductor in proper uniform, who are well trained to pick and drop the child, and our teachers are also well trained, and they drop the children to the last stoppage and then they reach back to the school. So children are under surveillance, whether it is camera surveillance, whether it is our school campus or whether it is our school transport, and even with sound. Moreover, for our tiny tots, not for our tiny tots, it's for everyone, our bus run through the proper CBSE norms with the phone number on it, where the parent can reach us anytime. They have the school transport number, where again they can reach. They have the access to GPS, where they can see their bus reaching the stoppage, dropping the child. We have the proper arrangement of attendance of the children, whether they are picked or dropped at time. We have the sitting arrangement properly pasted inside our bus. And moreover, for our tiny tots, you asked, we have nannies and ayahs going with the children to the doorstep, dropping the child, and then coming back to the campus, whether it is while picking or whether it is while dropping. And moreover, our conductors and drivers and the transport staffs are ever ready to help the children to get into the bus and drop down.
Amazing ma'am, it's really very interesting session, I must say. I just want to end this session with your inspiring message to all the viewers, their families, students. So ma'am, please.
Sure, Nima, it was nice being with you, and every moment made me feel very happy because I was talking about my school and I was speaking the truth. GIS is committed for the holistic development of our children, where we not only teach book, we teach values, and we want our children not to study but to grow and be future ready future ready for whatever challenges they face in their life.
Thank you so much ma'am for this interesting session, I must say, and the views regarding the school was really very interesting and inspiring. I would like to tell my viewers that this is not the end, this is just the beginning, and another session we are going to come up very soon. Then signing off.
Thank you, Nima. It was amazing for me also. Thank you so much.